Like most of Sony's phones, the Xperia L2 isn't the best looking device out there. It's not ugly, but the thickness of the bezel above and below the display, along with the plastic body, does little to make it stand out. It does have a fingerprint scanner on the back, which is not a given at the low end, but I wasn't able to fully test it out to see how fast it was. With all the free space on the front, though, it does feel a bit weird that the fingerprint sensor couldn't have been below the screen on the front. There's a 5.5-inch display with an HD 720p resolution that isn't the sharpest, but it looks to be tuned well with nice colors and decent viewing angles. You can always count on Sony phones to have a nice screen regardless of price, and that continues here. Under the plastic body is a basic MediaTek CPU and a surprising 3GB of RAM. Small amounts of RAM can often cause big problems on cheaper phones, but that shouldn't be the case here. Don't expect the Xperia L2 to manage graphically intensive games, but it should be fine for basic day-to-day bits. There's also 32GB storage and a microSD slot for expanding that. While the X82 and X82 Ultra ship with Android Oreo, the Xperia L2 is stuck with the older Android 7.0. This is a shame and shows that Sony is focusing more attention on its higher-end devices. Hopefully we'll see an Oreo update at some point, but that wasn't confirmed. A 3300 mAh battery should keep the phone running all day, while there's a 13MP camera on the back. I wasn't particularly impressed by the speed of the snapper, nor its autofocus, but these are the sacrifices you have to make at this price. Round the front there's a 120-degree wide-angle 8MP selfie camera.